the instability that is the market on a options expiration that obviously, as I noted at the very beginning, is the largest on record notional value. It's huge. So just kind of keep that in mind. We had a flat open. Definitely volatility is expected because it's quad witching, but more importantly, a very strong indicator for both yields and dollar, specifically yields above 4.33. And as I mentioned, anything above, and if I go back, you can kind of see this, right? This is a level that says extremely oversold, extremely overbought. So as it relates to SPX, we were extremely oversold. And then we kind of got into this, let's move over so I can sync it in time with this particular year. We got extremely, remember this is inverse. Just keep that in mind. I have this indicator inverse. So above that 380, we've been here before. It absolutely, the market was very, very different then. It was a lot lower, a lot lower. We were at 3,600, not 4,500, trying to push back up to 4,600. So just kind of be on your toes as it relates to volatility coming in with the options coming off the board and with yields above 4.33 and this indicator very firmly above 280. Remember the 0.65 level that I really like? Let's see if we can get anywhere close to it. 0.65, if we can get a move that's more than 0.65 drawdown, we can have a chance at a 1.5% drawdown. But we need to get through that level, and I don't know if we're going to have a snowball's chance on options expiration. Definitively, here's that, by the way, gap 44.70. That's really the likely price target. Here's the trend line 44.61. If we can get going, then we should hit 44.61. We have another gap, seriously. But we also did push back down from 184 to 281, 284 to 281. So we're not really falling apart yet, are we? We're down 1.14. So remember I said if we break the 0.65, what was my level? That we could have a 1.5% drawdown today. So whatever that comes out to be. So that's what I'm looking for. If we break the 0.65 drawdown, the chances increase strongly for a 1.5% pull down intraday. That's what I'm looking for. That plus this above 280, I'm really, really comfortable with pressing shorts, especially intraday, since we were able to get that 0.65 draw down in SPY. SPY, on the other hand, we have this price target of trend line tag. We're there. Let's see if we can break, head down to 44.61. That would be my baseline bet of 44.61. And then if we break 44.61, we head to 44.44. So let me see, where did we open on this little thing today? Open was 44.98, roughly 44.31. But I'm going to say 44.44 if the 44.61 breaks. Okay. So that would be if you're doing any like lotto things, which is dangerous on quad witching, I might add. But if you are, that is still my level. 44.61. If we break 44.61, we'll head to 44.44. All right, so we're almost there, by the way. SPY is different than SPX today with the options expiration. Crazy. And as Archana already mentioned, a gorgeous rollover in the ES contract. We are already at SPY 444.44. And I would say 443 is coming next because we haven't hit SPX. We hit 4461. That's gorgeous, right? That's what I saw this morning. But I think we can get a little shimmy to that 1.5 drawdown today. I know I got my system and I'm going to keep with it. If we push below a drawdown of 0.65%, we increase the chances of going into that 1.5. The challenge is right now that roll that's going on with all the options, right? SPX is down 0.96. SPY is down 1.3.